This is what my people should do and rise up and stop killing each other. Tell me if I'm lying. My people afraid of the white man. They do. They're afraid. He don't kill the white man. No.
I
He
need to
kill the
know the
black
true
man.
story
Yes.
of the people
For
of God.
no reason. No reason.
The
For
people
no
of God
reason,
that
no
live into the
reason,
land of
for
Canaan,
no reason,
which
no
they call
reason, no
Israel.
reason at all. No reason at all.
The whole world
Tell me if I'm
believes
lying.
those people
I'm lying. My
are
people,
the chosen people of the God
afraid of the white man.
of the
Afraid of
Bible.
the white man. My people, afraid of the white man. He afraid of the white man.
Now,
Don't kill the white man. No.
if those
He don't
people
kill
are
the
the
white
God,
man.
God
No.
people,
He kill black man. The black
we
man.
must realize
Who he
that
kill?
they are
Black
not of
baby.
nature.
The black man. Black girl is just a big
Nature didn't brought forth those people because
black
they
baby.
are European.
Black woman.
They are not black people, the woolly people.
Black woman is just a shame.
So I want to know
He killed the black man. A black woman.
why the people are going along
Black man.
with whatever
Black
those
man.
people that live into the land of Canaan called Israel.
Kill the black man.
They never been wrong in what they're doing.
Preachers, tell them.
And the
black
people
man,
go along.
stop killing. Stop.
Why are the people going along
Black man.
with the wrong that those people are doing?
Tell them.
Have you ever noticed?
Stop killing
Those
black
people
babies.
never been wrong.
Black babies.
It doesn't matter what it is.
Black babies.
They never been wrong
It's a big shame.
in their brutality.
Big disgrace. It's just a big
They kill men, women, and children,
just a big
and they never been wrong.
disgrace.
They take the land away from the people by the help of the American government and the
Black
British government,
man.
and they never been wrong.
Black man. Killing black women.
And we, the woolly man, sit back
Shame.
and go along with it.
We should not tell it. Tell it.
We cannot say nothing because we are not the ruler of the world.
Stop killing black men. Black preachers.
Black people are not the ruler of the world,
When the
so he have nothing to say with whatever the people of God do
white man. No.
into the land of Canaan
No.
on the place they call Israel.
It's
No,
black man. Black woman.
he have nothing to do with anything whatsoever.
Big shame. It's just a big shame. Big shame.
He's helpless.
Black man. Stop. He's killing black
And by he is helpless,
no preachers.
he let the white people
Black man.
do his bidding.
Black man. Killing black.
And all those white people you see there,
Stop.
they are the one that making all the laws and the rules and the regulations
Big shame.
for the Negro, for the Negro man
Black man.
and woman.
No. It's just a big shame. No. Black
And they go along with it.
He's killing black men. No. It's just a
We
big
must
shame.
first realize and consider
He's killing black
things that is not of nature,
The preacher's not telling the black man.
doomed to vanish sooner or later
It's just a big
or fade away.
black man.
Everything that is not of nature.
Black man. They ain't killing a white man.
We know those people are not from nature, but we want to go round the merry-go-round with the doing of the white man. You can't stand up straight up and say you're not from nature. You're going around. And they begin to tell you the woolly man is half a man, is less than a man. He's from the monkey. And he's from God. God made him. So he's above the rest of man. And he's the one that made the Bible. Italian, Romans, they're all white people. But nobody is not asking the question really, because everybody's stuck. Where do they get the stories to write this book? Just think about it. Where do they get this story? Because this story based upon the land you call Africa, which I call El Kabilan. So where do they get the stories? Because long time ago, the Soviet government bought the story from Africa. Of the Bible. It was not in Bible form, but they bought a whole scrolls of stories. And they sell them to the British government. About the God and about the earth and about nature. Because they think it was nonsense. And it was not in the English language. It was not in Greek. So now, why are we still continue to be fooled by the white people? Just think about it. Those people that live in the place you call Israel, they're the chosen one by the God of the Bible. You know the God of the Bible? He chose those people to be his own people. So he don't want what black men to be his people anymore. And when his son come back, he's coming for those people, those white people. You didn't heard what I said. The story said that Jesus is coming back for his people. So his people are the white people that live in Jerusalem, as you call it, Jerusalem. We the woolly men need to rise up. And break down that place you call Israel. And put up the new Jerusalem, as you call it. We need to stand up and start doing that. If we don't wake up, everything going to perish. Because the black man is waiting to go back to Zion. So where is that Zion? Is it someplace in Africa? Or we got to build that place called Zion? All the Caribbean people are waiting to go to Zion. Hello? So it seems like they stuck. Because the white man is the one that telling you what to do. And he is the master.
And if you don't listen to him,
he punish you. How we punish you? By starving you, give you bad medication, put you in prison, solid confinement, for his own doing. And that's what they're doing. But the people can't see, because their mind locked up on this Bible. And their mind have been locked up with this God of the Bible. The black people. Or let's put it this way, the people of color. Chinese have not locked up their mind in this Bible. Neither the Indians. So whose mind is locked up in this Bible? the Latin and the black man. Latin people
And
and
the
the black people. Their mind is locked up into this Bible. So, and everything that is in here is written in past tense. Everything is in past tense.
I
I
saw,
saw, it was, it came. Everything is in past tense. So that means the white man, when he put it together, he put it smartly together because the story was magical stories of the black people. Huh? Magical stories of the black people. How to go from one place to another
and
and
becoming
become invisible. All of that is all gone.
how
How to turn man into animal, four-footed beast. How to lock them in chambers. How to bound them to the river. Or bound them to the ocean. All this knowledge is gone. It's not in here. So they take that knowledge and scatter it in other little books all over the place. So our stories can come back together the right way. But guess what? Black people don't want to hear that anymore. Because they steadfast their mind on this God. And when you tell them, hey, the word God is a European word, you know what they say? I don't want to hear it. You don't believe in God? And that's where they try to get your mind caught up. You have to believe. So by they going with believe, they have no proof. And that's why they keep on going with the bullshit over and over and over. So you speak to the black people and see. They go, you don't believe in God? Why I need to believe if He is? He is, I don't need to believe. I don't believe there is my Father. My Father is there. So I don't need to believe He's right here. My mother is right over there. I don't need to believe if she's there. And that's how you get caught up. So by the black people get caught up in their doing, they stuck. Waiting on some redeemer to come and redeem them. In the meantime, the other race of people is killing its people and setting all type of trap for my people and do all type of filthy stuff with them in captivity. And that's what's going on. And my people are not, look, my people have no security guard for our people, no place. We don't have any security guard in the prison for our people when they go there to see that no brutality take place with them. Neither in the hospitals, neither in the crazy house. To
see the
brutality that taking place with the people with head problem. They do all type of crazy stuff with those people. And they're already crazy. You could imagine you're trying to molest somebody that is crazy. A female that is crazy, try to molest them. And they're already crazy. Crazy man, crazy woman, as you call them. You're already been in bondage and try to be molested by your authorities. And we have no security guard to watch over that and see that our people doesn't get another brutality from their God. Nobody's not doing anything. The preachers are out there trying to get rich.
And
And those that get rich, they're going off to something else. Look, every one of the preachers that own a church, they're rich. Why am I saying that to you? Because the man I call my father or call my dad, he got 3 churches. Plus many homes in the city. Plus many acres of land in different places that people give up and sold it to him. And he becomes rich. So they all do the same thing. Your father, my father, this one father, it doesn't matter who it is. That's what they do once they becomes a preacher. They give you a little pocket change and they gather up abundance for themselves. And that's how it is. So once you have that knowledge, you'll realize what these people are doing. Just like the people into the land of Canaan. They're hurting the people, killing babies, killing whole men and women. And nobody's not saying anything. And who is doing the killing? The white people. The white government killing the people of color. But people cannot see that. Because they're not doing it in quantity. And once you wake up and realize what these people are doing, you will understand the true knowledge of nature. You're not people of your interest. No. They are here to take care of their people. I repeat it again. They want to take this planet away from the black people. And they already have 3/4 of it. Sooner or later, they're going to take the rest. They're getting ready. And if you don't believe what I'm saying, as you use the word believe, keep on thinking what you're thinking. Because I don't do believe. I speak from myself. And everybody's trying to copy other people. Speech. I don't copy nobody's speech. I speak from me. Whatever I said is from me. I don't say it from this. I don't say it from that. I utter from my own thought. And once you realize that, you will overcome and have great wisdom and understanding. Peace. I'm out of here.